Who doesn't like glowing, amazing, flawless skin? I love it. Do you love it? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Keeping Real with Yogasini. I am Yogasini. If you're new to my channel, I post thrice a week. I do fitness, skincare, fashion, makeup, everything woman related, girl related. Are you one of those people? Then you've arrived at the right place. If you are a new subscriber and you haven't seen my last video, or if you are one of my subscribers and you haven't seen my last video and commented on it, I suggest you do that because I made this amazing DIY घर पे बैठ के aloe vera gel for moisturizing, for skin care, for hair care. Now, if you haven't seen that, how will you understand this video, huh? So, I'm suggesting you press on the link somewhere. I will put the link this time. I always forget to put the links, but I will put the link so that you can visit that video and see how I've made an at-home aloe vera gel with vitamin E capsule for amazing glowing skin. Now, today's video is all about DIY face masks with a key ingredient, our aloe vera. And this video is extra special because it's just not only for my skin type, it's for all skin types. Dry skin, oily skin, acne prone skin. If you have that skin, try one of these DIYs and benefit from this amazing skincare routine. So without wasting any more time, let's start with the face mask. And our face mask is for amazing, shiny, glowy skincare. Aloe vera face mask for bright and beautiful skin. 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and 1 teaspoon of honey. Mix all ingredients and make a spreadable mask. Apply this on your face and gently massage it in circular motions for 3 minutes. After that, let the pack stay for 20 minutes. Wipe it off with a clean damp cloth to get rid of those harmful dead cells from your face. Repeat 1 to 2 times a week. Second, aloe vera face mask for acne-free skin. 1 tablespoon of aloe vera, 1/4 spoon of organic nutmeg or cinnamon powder. I did not have organic nutmeg, so I used cinnamon powder. Mix all ingredients and apply this paste on your face or on the affected area for spot treatment. After that, let the pack stay for 15 to 20 minutes. Wash it off with normal water. Repeat daily to get rid of acne fast. Aloe vera face mask for dry skin. 1 tablespoon of aloe vera, 1 teaspoon of honey, half a teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil or sweet almond oil. Prepare a paste of aloe vera gel, olive oil and honey. Apply the paste on your face and neck, leaving it for approximately 30 minutes. Wipe it off using a clean and damp cloth. Repeat 3 to 4 times a week. Olive oil will keep your skin moisturized and it also offers anti-aging benefits to your skin. Honey will give a glow to your skin and prevent acne or a pimple caused due to excessive dryness of the skin. Aloe vera face mask for oily skin. 1 tablespoon of aloe vera, 1 teaspoon of yogurt, half a teaspoon of lemon juice. Mix all the ingredients and blend the mixture well with a spoon until it turns creamy. Apply the paste on your face and neck, leaving it for approximately 30 minutes. Rinse it off. Repeat 3 to 4 times a week. Lemons have cooling, astringent properties. They are rich in vitamin C, which can eliminate acne and brighten dull skin. It is naturally acidic, so it helps balance the skin and gets rid of excessive oil. It minimizes the large skin pores, which produces excess oil. Yogurt contains lactic acid, which can aid in exfoliating the skin. Aloe vera face mask for sensitive skin. 1 tablespoon of aloe vera, 1 teaspoon of mashed ripe banana, half a teaspoon of honey. Mix all the ingredients and blend the mixture well with a spoon until it turns creamy. Apply the paste on your face and neck, leaving it for approximately 30 minutes. Wipe it off using a clean damp cloth. Repeat 3 to 4 times a week. It helps in maintaining skin firmness, has anti-aging benefits, removes acne, blemishes, gives a glow to the skin. Aloe vera face mask for pigmentation and dark spots. 1 tablespoon of aloe vera, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of yogurt, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Make all ingredients and make a spreadable paste. Apply this on your face and massage it in circular motions for 5 minutes. After that, let the pack stay for 20 minutes. Wipe it off using a clean damp cloth. Repeat 3 to 4 times a week. Turmeric helps in skin rejuvenation and beneficial for depigmentation. Lemon juice works very well to help lighten hyperpigmented skin as well as other spots and blemishes on skin. So that was your 6 DIY aloe vera face mask. Whatever skin type you are, dry, oily, acne prone, pigmented, Try one of these DIYs and benefit from it. These are all ingredients you can find at home. Turmeric, haldi. Who doesn't put haldi in their khana? Like, have you ever gone to an Indian household where they don't have haldi? Well, they have. So do you. Honey. Who doesn't have honey at home? Yogurt. Dahi ke bina, how can a North Indian family survive? Duh. What else? Banana. Banana is like the most important fruit one can consume. So all these ingredients are at home. All you need to do is move your bum, go to your kitchen, open your fridge, find these ingredients, find an aloe vera. Want make an aloe vera gel? Visit my last video and see that video, how to make an aloe vera gel. Use these ingredients, use it for your skin. These are so natural, organic. Like, everyone goes gaga over organic ingredient, buy this organic product. You can't get more organic than this. Like, this is your organic face mask. Like, come on, give me some credit. I've given so much hard work in making this for you and for all skin types, not only for my skin type. So because I've done so much hard work, please hit the thumbs up, the icon, the subscribe. And let me know if you want more DIY at home face mask skin routine, because I love doing those. I do this on an actual everyday basis and not just for videos. If you follow me on Instagram at Yogasini, you will know that every night I do a whole skincare routine where I use natural ingredients which are found easily at home. That's my motive, that's my whole mantra about life. Go natural or use chemicals. Whatever. Anyhow, I hope you like this video. I hope you come back to my channel. And yes, support me, yeah. I want to be 1 million subscribers one day, if not today. Alright then, have a wonderful day. Bye.